Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am a class. Today we will be doing the teaser of Prosperity Homes Ekam by Prosperity Homes Private Ltd project, which is located in Velimala near Kollur exit number 2, Hyderabad. Now before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project. This is the marketing office and I'm standing right outside of it. And right behind the marketing office is the land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform, your number is shared with a lot of brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly shared with the developer. In this video, we will be discussing about the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. This project, Prosperity Homes, is spread over 5 acres of land parcel, 5 residential towers with 2 basements plus 2 podiums and 12 floors, which is offering premium 3 BHK residences. Now, this also has the total unit number of 458. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Velimala near Kollur, Hyderabad. Now, the nearby landmarks, Outer Ring Road ORR exit number 2 is only 2 minutes away from here. Financial District 10 minutes, Gachibowli 10 minutes, and High Tech City 20 minutes approx from here. Coming over to the amenities, the project provides you with premium amenities like a large 35,000 square feet clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center, wellness zones, kids play zones, and a lot more. Coming over to the super built-up area, as mentioned, the project offers premium residences with super built-up area approximately for 3 BHK 1,650 square feet to 2,196 square feet. Now, coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So, our project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the project details, will share the pricing and the payment scheme as well. And we will also show you the site and the sample flat as well. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Prosperity Homes Ekam by Prosperity Homes Private Ltd, which is located in Velimala near Kollur, Hyderabad. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.